Agents, this is your captain speaking. We have reached a cruising altitude of 35,000 feet. You may now unfasten your seatbelt. Hold on. Ryan, have you tried turning down engine noise? What didn't work? Ladies and gents, please fasten your seatbelts. We may experience a bit of rough air. Captain out. Hello again, passengers. This is your captain speaking. We actually went a bit higher than we meant to. Nothing too drastic. Just 53,000 feet. So we are headed back down a bit more. Get out of some rough spots. Keep your seatbelts fastened this time. Captain out.
Bank angle. Bank angle. Bank angle. Bank angle.
Hello, passengers. This is your captain speaking. Do not panic. We're going down. Nothing is working in our favor. So we're just gonna go ahead and make an emergency landing in the Most City of Corn. I like corn. What about you? Anyway, please take emergency precautions. Captain out.
Bank angle. Bank angle. Bank angle. Oh yeah. Sink rate. Pull up. Sink rate. Pull up.
Can't make it. Can't make it. The ship's stuck. Door's stuck! Door's stuck! Brad! Incoming!
Sink rate. Pull up. Sink rate. Pull